Sanibonani lisho 4 kule Mathiya Perana Kev ntana semkhona khona eKenza laziwa khona namhlanje bathi umalandelela 2020 tournament yakhona sesibukile bafethu bathi Kenza livukile yabona ngicala ngani ngomalandela before ngithotshiza mouth wami but anyways silokhu sida ngayi ngakuleft wami uphethe siyagothe ngayi ngaku-right wami uphethe mavocha
super sub
zobayeka izinto zami ukuthi zintroduce masaba be careful ukuphuza ntonyana
super sub ya ngibuyile gaming fana
starting the game on the bench
fana ngikho benchini bana mayengo online vai flanking like bafethu Steve Mavocha ngibuyile bafethu
asinama ghost namhlanje
ngisabukele imalandelela ntontoni
yeah
2020 yasekasi
yes
after how many years konje
after so many years
ngibuyile kumnandi
shout out
Kenza livukile shout out malandelela FC tournament
shout out to organizer kanobana Grootman Umpho
yes shout
out to Coach Tips, shout out to Attire Beautical, and shout out to Coach Caesar, right? Caesar izinto zakhona
shout out Coach
okushayile round hospitalities wakeli bhaya yiso bafethu always abafethu since vele imalandelela kuyi an ongoing tournament
yalandelela
wayelakhi 16 ne
16
siyibukele makasibukelanga personally uyibukela umjita kayibukelanga so the remaining teams we're not sure of them unless if you have some
izolo besibukelile ngivana ntwana wonke ama games wabukelile
izolo
because ungitshelile wathi nasekala ngakhuphuka nami then sawabukela
ufike esikhabanda
past 12
ama game waqala musi past 12
no ngibukela ngelokuqala la 16
ngithi umuntu wabukele wonke
hayi lela 16 hayi
la 16 isale
la 16 lela tho uyakhupha leli besifuna ukulibukela lela mtshele ngalo sike sayolibukela ele malandelela yila mtshele
aqala ngaleli lezi zasepimville lezi bokhala ngazo dala lezi zangena kanje ngathi azifuna ukuwina lesithule I think isikhave almost wonke ama game like mina grand yabo
ilele ya wena wakhavile
because of Saturday ngile la ngabukela ama game nyana few vele enhle vele Saturday ngile na Friday mayiqala tournament fida ngibukela ngifirst game but then
awuyangana sasonto
few games sonto lami lida mfeti lona kawo ediskin yabo bengiyokhava wona lama game that's where ihlangana nocoach Sizwe la ntek yabo upload amafedera but then azansiring into ezibhaya yabo ngibozile okay sharp amajitavana nani atshela amajita sakhava ama errands yabo abanye basayo pray mina ngizothandaza but then tournament mnandi after so many years mnandi
no support people
like support like bayisupportile kasi inhle into akuvele bebayimele vele ukuthi yenzeke after so many years
besikhale
kahle
bifuneka
so we hoping ukuthi it's an ongoing thing yabo ama grand ozoba active because of nasibonile fan base kuyagcwala
khona
kasithuka abantu ababhaya bayaphuma bayeza bazobukela so like shout out to PYT Soweto
malandela ababhaya isigawula la shout out
malandela Easter tournament si happy so siyacabanga ke ukuthi manje no 3:30 because of it's an ongoing tournament angithi akapheli siyacabanga ukuthi final izoba mnandi
PYT shout out yabo sokushanga
shout out PYT shout out to organizer shout out
the support bafethi Kenza that's where it started vele qaleda
amakasi Kenza Central PV lapho bazile mfethu
support bese sigive back ne
support
and we giving it back so we toshibogo kanjalo that way bafethu ekseni okay mina ngeFriday ngibukele igame le konje Kings athatha ngwina no se
Chicanas
lezi zabo Figo
killer stars iyo bufike kukhila
hayi ngale number 7 engathi urile la njengorile
yahamba
kwathi mfuke akuhlungu lentwana yo like my first touch yabo ibhola imali zelibeka ngene spacing of the ball run izinto efana nalezo kodwa uma 2 goal 2 assist njengoba ngiyibukele ngikhulume ngayo sisasuka ngama first touch wayo my 3 I take game local progress ambona mfana like icon ihlungu lentwana leya and apparently njengoba badlala Fanta Rexen bengekho badlala somewhere bi le tournament ankosho
nawa ditsiba di players di solve hey ihlala kayili kayi amakamela ngisakhala ngale yabe ngitshela ngayo number 9
hayi
mamela mfiki yabo xola
hayi le
asla baba le isiphandi le hayi like dangishawa i grade yayo kuphela
ngayizolo ukuzithola le penalty isuke nebhola from
Makai
close to in the middle
shawe i grade la yabona ukuthi yaphusha le yaphusha le
khona ama player mnandi lapha
number 6 naye vie
number
6 naye au general hayi no hayi udlalile mfethu hayi feel yabona noma baphumile Fanta
experience ebhaya la
lentona bebadlala nazo leziya iWolves uthe Wolves
yeah iWolves abo le yanga central yeah nazo hayi
azadlala
ama XP team yabo fiku
yeah leziya zibashaye ngeexperience because lentona lezi unobone noma igame licala besifuna ukuthola eligoal yabo ayibe zilibele izimisa zenza but lezazi masizicala sisehlile egaming zavele zabashaya ngeexperience zabayeka beze besikeze abalandeli mazibalanda bezenza sure lezabe kumele ngabe first half leader 2 aboxolo but nje bebenza ama mistake
I think bazinyathile leza intwana
ama bona ke experience la
because of ukuze ukhala ngale ntwana le number 11 le Wolves uthi akusi defend
leya akusi defender leya ibhola mabeze babatheka alimaka yalithola ayilahla ozayo ngilimshaya yambulala ozayo yambulala mayicitha izophasa noma iphasa ukuthi ilahle ibhola apho uyazi ama defender hayi it's simple it's no number 8 wabo number 8
yabeka control mid nami ngibonile so I think they are ringva ngale experience
nsidla ikhosi
ukuluva like for like bakhipha ukuluva ufaka intwana yakhe
ayalazi
bakhipha yena bafaka intwana
ayalazi
number 6 ayihloku intwana ebogoluva yo
hayi so like makabadlalile machance yabo
shout out to you
I think lale ngivele ne expectile va tournament uyakazi nakho into naso like ngithothi lale ngene ke batla uyibona yabo la ore lotlisa those former players PSL players professional players would beze da I think nadile ngilo it helped mu phula I crowd already vele thina vele ngayekasi vele sine support for isiklasekazi you know Petro Showstopper pro bakhona ngayeka so bayephula I-crowd but then
not man uthe Sunday badlala i-final game ye-league Sunday
the organizer ya tournament
uthi badlala i-last game of the league and bawu number 1 yabo so if bayawina bayephakamisa
badlala league
yako Pimville Masters
at least
so
no bekangitshela ngalaba ukuthi somthola va
mina bengicaza ukuthi okay
so ile
so bayalona shoot mawaphakamisa yibo baphakamisana ngala into
bazophakamisa namhlanje
mina mfethu already advantage ngakubo mfethu ezasekhaya
sibashiye ba leader
but then obviously football asazi ukuthi uzophuma kanjani ngiyangithola but then supporting akubo if abaku final then izinto zivuma bona
mfethu
ama prophet before my tournament amaningi first like okay I would like call Kenza fade but Kenza it was well known hence khona mase kuyinto ukuthi kwamele sibuyise lelo flag le
futhi ya December
la ngama East okay not the East but December and it was strong
ya December hayi
it was strong
hayi malandelela hayi
so shout out to malandelela
si happy malandelela Easter si happy
sisakhuluma ngeteam yabo FIFA ngiphathanga team yabo FIFA mfethu hayi
iphumile
yazi ngoba khuluma
badlala ngama penalty
hayi XP lo khona manje mangifika le game lokucala I think bokudlala bona oh yeah ama cross transitional clinical in terms okay angazi izolo ukuthi kwenzakeleni apha namhlanje bebambuthwela ugoalkeeper lentwana lezi and on target mfana kunelinye ibhola la ngithi ngiphuma khona lisuka from ugeneral usha number 6 ne
Silink
wayithwara ushapa like diagonal pass eloring ya grass cut and jwana ungayasha grass cut esha defender like isha ilokhuzana bathala yasukuma ibhola aliyashenya ivoli ndoda ukhipha lapho ukuthi bekasiposition egrand ibeka anguyigoli lihle ashaya ivoli
it should be limited
ngiyazibuza ukuthi actually yadlala bengijahele somewhere mabe ngilibukele lonke amakabe limnandi that's our experience mfana account
yeah machita ukuthi entertainment ifile yabo
abona bamnandi
bakuthi entertainment yeah bakuthi happy kala yini
yeah talking about experience wafethu sibonile lokhuzana iNedbank Cup Kesrick bedlala against Durban City then TS Galaxy was playing against Milford mangikhuluma ngeexperience iMilford I felt like easily because yibo bacala ngokukora mase fika ama penalty then sawuzi commentator ithi goalkeeper wabo lo bamthembile akekho in the field so lento lesha umqondo you understand hence lana ama penalty bebawashayile mfethu not convincing
bangaboni ukuthi bafuna ukuya
mfethu no I think lento ekhulume lokho commentator it did have an effect kubo lento ukuthi goalkeeper wakekho but nalebe bavimbela ivimbe Graham sele nje ukuthi nje bakore lawo ma penalty la kunalabo bavimbe wena advantage bavimbe ama penalty ethu lawo mele bashaya iTS Galaxy yamisa lento nale penalty eshayile ndoda yabona ukuthi hayi beka phasi goalkeeper
mathi not on the keep if into bengisho na iKaizer kumedla nePirates ukuthi sometimes you have to choose right players for a certain penalty maybe penalty is 4
and it took all defenders
yabo
bonke ama defender wawasha ama penalty majority la shama penalty kushaya lentwana lezi ezi3 wazokwasha no goalkeeper vimbi ball washaya
so if ejeka score
I think penalty ibile abali silente I think 5-4 somewhere amara mfethu wa Milford mfethu disappointed when it comes to the penalty but wakhe bathwane batla wina game mandla wonke wena bajahile kade ngithi Galaxy besedla isikhathi because bebazi ukuthi hayi
I think vele uringa vaka experience because of kwasheba ile extra time game ile yeah I think ibashayile lele ngiyo upole se TS Galaxy bayicava 120 minutes extra time experience it counts and then lezi ntwana leza they wanted to kill it in 90 minutes hence bakwaqala so credit to them nabo futhi ngokuya ku extra time up until ama penalty we all know ama penalty lot jo so angaketshwa noma ubani so but then shout out nako bafike la bafike khona ngiyangithola
ne league apparently family they were saving other players because one game I think they playing on Tuesday or Wednesday
you see so kuyona le linge kacho
number 1 2
well I'm not sure
ngiyakhumbula
ukuthi bala kuma top 5
bebe number 1 or 2
I think bona ne Kesrick bali sephezulu yeah angithi ba so like yeah experience it counts top flight nangada NFD ayifani competition nangada
so ngayibona
remember experience TS Galaxy phela they've won ilona iNedbank before bayazi ukuthi hayi mase sila siyazi ukuthi operate kanjani psychologically libona vele ba rectify mistake ile ya previous game ile bayiluzitseng ya league so abatotla yi abatla na disappointment ba batla go ga batsa keng re bile re embarrassitse di supporters tsa rona so yi tlamele at least re ba guys something phela le bona ba batla we win la idea Nedbank
and the celebration of vele bayibatla
we win wa bona ke CAF Confederations Cup ba bona ke achievement ba achieve ka tselanyana tse di ba da CAF so like I think yeah Milford yeah sharp batla khutla next time
and ke khaletse ka underdogs against Milford
so Kesrick campaign Kesrick what's the Kesrick
on shower on goal on goal
Osiduma ngabanye.
Indaba inhlanhla idiskini yaphela.
Osiduma ngabanye.
Yabo.
Le nto nifeva ibhakani yeyishilo vele.
Iplan labo ukuthi sizofika le ngama-penalty waya.
Ayisipande.
Isipande.
Ingeke udlale mfethu. Ukasidlala mfethu expectiwe kayiro badlala Durant until ipenalty. Bekamele likore at some point mfethu.
Kumele nidlale ibhola.
Never lidlala low block nje.
Nidlale disc.
Dlala ibhola likoreng liwinning game ka 90 minutes. Ubone gore
lezi yazibona ibhola likhona lapha. Masidlala i-gameplay yabona ibhola likhona but i-strategy mina easy strategy ezingibhora idiskini ukuthi hayi so babamba ngama-penalty
athi ya
chief uzathina usho
ezawusi ngale mentality leyo I mean angibelieve kule mentality leyo yokuthi uwine ama-game ukuthi hey so defender ama-penalty penalty lotho guys hayi ukuthi ngoba uwine against labo 2 games nyana uwinile uzowina wonke lama-game.
You always run out flat.
Luck will run out. There's no way luck will run out. So yeah, I know it's a bomb.
Kesrick it's a bomb. Milford it's a bomb. But big ups to them for making it that far to the semi-finals. Big ups to them.
Uzowina yini? Nedbank, Devon City, TS Galaxy.
Everin.
It's yes in the upper hand, but me now go with Devon
on
City.
paper.
Devon City.
On paper, yabo. TS ngayithatha. Background vele previous kuya ama champion. Ozozela ile ngcondo leyo vele uvyasa. Abo. Psychologically nje zashintsha lezi.
Bane upper hand.
So Devon City I wouldn't say much ngayo because of Ulandasti baceda ukuthi coach. Bakhutha ikhithi kakhulu asazi ukuthi badlala yiphi idisk hleka ngawuboni kahle labo so so
no TS Galaxy
Nedbank nayifanele ifana nama-penalty lotho. You'll never know. That's how it is.
Hey,
Ilotho ilokuza Nedbank. Yabo. So hence I'm saying ukuthi okay me ngivane Devon City because they have TS Galaxy at least they've tasted the cherry on top of the thingy. The pie.
There's a lot of speak in the final.
Yeah, I know, but now it goes out to who wants it more.
Kumbule leza plus nazo zine XP, KF zifundile.
Yeah, bon.
Yeah.
Apha bamnandi phela sobona ayasazi.
Asazi sesiyeka kini leyo balandeleli bethu abalandeli. Ngizokhomenta lapho down below nisheke ukuthi ngicabangani. Ngicela ke sesikhuluma nge-outcome bathi uAndile Bajali.
Andile Bajali.
And the Bajali.
Amhlekazi amhlekazi.
Before singarating le sibona iclip cause yaza ama-clippers or vele context from leya podcast leya uyicale da cause khona iclip engiyibonile ecaliwe before azoringa ngorili bekabe bambuza ngozwana yabo so yeah I think bekaringa ngozwana ukuthi kudala bamlona ayenzani until no sekayaspan then angazi if bambuzile ukuthi urile or in then yena wathi mayicala ukuthi kumele bamyekele urile adlale enjoy azenzele igama lakhe cause usasomfana yabo bangalelwa busy ba compare because of lo dlala so but bonke bamnandi so ngoba lebe bamcompare ayikho grandele kumele bamiyeke ngithola enjoy adlala then wathi if kuba ne comparison udlile urile mele adlale 10 years then somcompare la mina against whatever lento leya ayishi because of naye first season yakhe adlala ku Pirates bebamcompare no Vilakazi so lento leya there's nothing you can do about it ngithola
bengisathi ngizosho ukuthi ucompare
bazohlale bacompare
hayi uvyasa
akusinto bekumele yena indaba azingene yena bekumele asho ukuthi hayi no really umnandi uyeza and uza kamnandi and it's great because of usana 21 uzwana na 21 bekangekho le stage urela kuzo so imagine urela masekana 36 uzobe
wes
ayinyinto ayibhoma ngithola zoba nswembu kabuhlungu So that is why ngithi bekumele yena ayibeke kanjalo ukuthi hayi bamiyeke then aringe ngozwani ukuthi awuzwani legend uyenzile into yakhe whatever yabo because mabazoqala ba-compare
But at the end of
Yona
the day,
ikhona,
your
it's
opinion,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah,
You get
no.
a passion for that. Yeah, I
yazi
get
mina
what you're
ngithi
saying. Yeah, I
for
totally
yena
sure.
umuntu odlalile for thina singayisho singaringa lezo zinto lezo but for yena
Why-
adlalile
Okay.
for yena phela yena u-Andile Jalo ubuda
Yeah,
can't
man,
talk
let
like
let's
that.
no,
But
let
it's
think
stage.
iskakitsho ke opinion yakhe.
Yeah,
Wena whether
ke
udlalile
opinion.
or gadlala ke leyo yafila nkatini. Understand?
Nah, but who
So
cares?
lena wabona wona just uqetwe explain wabona explain ile nkatini. It does make sense. But le teng ne ke tlo tshoro lena ne ke tla tshora e really vele tshwantsa dlale nako itseng before ba ka compare the Achilles tsa compared to tsa Zwane. You understand? But now the way we ile nkatini we ile ka tselo lo reng vele ke le way ball le nkatini. You understand? It's one of the on come compare the Cristiano. You can't compare the two, but there is comparison. I understand because of how many leagues everybody winning, how many cups links with usually because of that. And I got to Sheba. Didn't ya Messi Lili Ronaldo ka di Palento. Basically.
I look at the goal.
Yeah, Lili Palento. I understand. So yeah. Charlie siyakuzwa uthi umfuke nginozwani company kwasha kwacema na idisk mfethu at the end of the day comparison izohlala ikhona noma ngabe i-defender ngacompare ne-striker bathi ngidlala kancane ne-striker understand idulale thing that's how njengoba usho manje le nto le benikhuluma ngayo ukuthi le ayidlali njenge-defender ilanda abantu they can compare that person with umuntu attacker you understand yeah sesiyivalile ngaleyo ndlela
I think before the call, I think mfethu Charlie phela abona like Zwane Lady and the Mfukeng but different.
everyone is
Like
different
Usho kanjalo
Style of
Yeah.
play was different.
everything
So
is
like
different
obviously safika kuthina so compare okay sharp comparison really mncane. Uzwane is 18. My experience yakhe
okay bezosonda kanjani if
Yeah,
bekathi bezosonda kanjani if bekathi uzwani lento lecethe ukukhuluma by the age of nanje rethe kai konje
36.
no like iwa kantwana really
21.
21 if Zwane lena nadlalile kanako erila adlalile nkaya at the age of 21 then netlaba a points but now it's
So,
like
wabo-
because you know why they're comparing them they're trying to figure out what this position number 10
Yeah.
it's suitable for who
Because of obviously mission could replace as well. The way they were cutting.
Izwalo because now
ungathova bani ungadlalisa bani kunumber
Mina
10
ngamdlalisa umfuke mfethu. Why?
naba bayithubu ejimini minikhethi level
Uzodlalisa umfuke he's young. Uzogeleza. Under iwing abantu ngazwana.
uzodlalisa bani
Mfokeng he needs to grow you
Exactly.
understand it's like me mentoring him
In as much as mfethu Rivera
ama-reasons wenu la
No, in as much as ulon Rivera khona ukuthi afaka umntwana ku depend la ku Pirates. Why not la ku national team mfethu? If ever this
yashali yakhusha
why these
Okay.
European teams mfethu sidlalisa intoni na 17.
exactly
So like why
into
bangamdlalisi?
engishilo lana
and for mina I think ikai two ukuthi ngadlala bani nani you understand sometimes people they learn by seeing umuntu makanzinto sometimes people they learn by throwing them in the deep end
Exactly.
understand so kuleyo situation like really deep end he sort of like upopose ceiling kwamlahlele ku deep end wa adapter to the game wakhona ukuthi azenzele lakhe game you understand but if it was we were to put it ngelinye player umuntu okay let's just say for an example umremi if we were to like uthatha umremi umcompare nabo ubani odlala njengomremi like back then bekadlala njengomremi
close hole
okay not close school is not even close it's not even close to mremi singacabanga
abeyikora le
yeah beyikora mara bekadlala ududi
Beyimina.
fact remains I understand kima mremi kamcompare almang legend
legend winger
or umuntu osantsana adlala onathi makolo ngihrudi okay erekere 10-1 watazwana if uthatha umremi wathatha no-atazwana umremi yabona ukuthi umuntu ogeleza into ahlele ngaphandle ukuze azoba grand akusi umuntu ongamgelisa alokhu you understand so umremi kahle ufunda ngento mayenzakala before yena azosifaka kule nto leyo hence there's kunalento leyo ukuthi umremi is a super sub nan. You cannot compare Remy no really. Uthi Really is a super sub. Really ukhona ukumanage game from esaqala. Noma sekakhathela ngibona ukuthi ukhathe but still he can. Uphula kana ukuthi abele ukhathe ushaka fatigue. But still nadlala nosabona Really. Nebona ke bathu bamsebanga Really okayi. Ukhathetse.
Mina ireason yami ukuthi ngafaka uReal i1. Yini ispansi central attacking midfield.
Ushaba forward pass ukubreak ama-first down.
Iwinde.
Uzwana umbona kayingakho ubona uzwana.
Manje sekabuyisela ibhola okay. From ever since ayidlali vele.
Akadlali lelo bhola.
Ukathatha side pass.
Udlala ama-stick pass, ama-short,
Thank
ama-pass.
you.
And then the nto le quick thinking 10 self-up. Striker hambudla ke.
That's the reason ngafaka umfuthi.
So uReal
Ushaka ama-chances created kule game le bafana.
Angena.
Uyangithola?
That's why ngithi mina ngamfaka.
Ushama forward pass into sibheka uhlongwane nomesile lapha. Somehow mina uhlongwane ne.
Yeah.
Bengifila ngazuthi bekumele bamkhiphe nge-half time. That's why just ukumsave nje. Uyangithola? Because of umfaka mina ngikutshela iVAR. Panama is way ahead of us.
Kabuhlungu.
Panama is way ahead of us, true. Uyangithola? So mangibheke le 2 games. Yakhumula ngitshelile ngithi ukuthi le first game le bebafake
into encane.
I-second division bebafake i-first team no. Uzibone
i-second game.
Bezikhiya lesiya and uyazibona ukuthi ziyadlala bezicomfortable nasebholweni. Uthatha ufaka uhlongwane umthrowela la. Wangafaka line up yakho. Then uzubafake grand just to that is why ngithi Hugo Bros ucoyela ukuthi ukudlala safe than ukuthi adlale.
And why man?
Uyangithola? Ucoyela ukudlala safe. Nakuma friendly ufuna ukudlala safe. Like ufuna ukudlala safe faka ama-takers wakho lapha mina ngabe
Ukabona.
So mela fake i-starting 11 sakhe because of no sekulate. Angeke abe namagame abhayi intanga. Usafuna ukufaka abohlongwane usafuna ukuthi utestane manje awuthami in 2 months time sokudlala i-World Cup wena usafuna ukutesta ukuthi i11 yakho yini
and bekumele sesilolile mfethu sidla ama-peanuts sidla ama-banana sidla ini sesiya ngokuyodubula wena manje kana ama-Panama
ukhatha ama-players psychologically because of no ubana asacava ukuthi wena uzostopha wakastop fail ama-player mele asilole ischeme siya-understand but then first level, you make sure. You make sure.
Friendly or not? Into being issue before AFCON. Ngathi lo muntu lo bekumele ngabune 11. Le ndaba ukuthi ngisafuna ukutest usafuna ukutestelana bekumele athathe uRenas bekumele athathe wonke ama-player bahlangana labantu laba badlale bonke manje yena usafuna
process scientist experiment
kahle kahle bafethu thina besijabulele ukuthi qualifyele we don't know the outcome moving forward. Ngaleyo ndlela mfethu ikhona ibelief because eDiskini akuna therefore so ngaleyo ndlela ke sesivala sishiye njalo bafethu senzositshela ukuthi down below nina ngicabangani. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So it's Oshibobo Kanama. Kanama na. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngalento le besikhuluma ngayo vandag. Udissect nathi ayithola lento le. Thank you.
Travis. Yeah, bafethu subscribe Shibobo make bafethu.